Hello, thanks for joining me. My name is Fel, and today we're going to make a clucking chicken. Now you may have gotten the craft kit from the library for the summer reading club, or you may like to collect these materials yourself from home. So if you've got the kit or you're collecting materials, check you've got everything you'll need. First up, you'll need a piece of cotton string or twine, about 45 centimeters long. You'll also need a paper or a plastic cup, a paper clip, three feathers, some wiggly eyes, and a small square of coloured paper. Now you'll also need some tape or some glue and some water as well for the end. So first what you'll need to do is take your cup, and also make sure if you've got the kit, you've got the instructions here as well. Taking a pen or some scissors and asking a grown-up for help if you need to, make a small hole in the middle of the bottom of the cup. It just needs to be big enough for the string to fit through. Now you can pop that down in front of you and then take your piece of string and your paper clip and carefully thread the string through and then tie into a little knot. One knot is fine, or if you want it to be secure, you can do a double knot. There we go, there's one and two. So I've done a double knot so it doesn't slip off. Okay, and then what you do is you take your other side of the string that doesn't have the paper clip and carefully thread it through the hole that you've made in the bottom of your cup. It's okay if you don't get it first time. You might like to twist the end of the string to help it poke through. There we go. Once you've got it through, you can grab it from the other side and pull it through. And make sure the paper clip stops the string from going all the way through. Now we can decorate our chicken. So first what you can do is take your square of paper and fold it in half to make a triangle. And if it's still a little bit too big, we're making the beak here, if it's still a little bit too big, you can fold it in half again to make a smaller triangle. Now I've got tape here today, but you can use some glue as well. Take a little piece, stick it here on the top, and then stick it to the front of the cup. Make sure you leave some space above for the eyes. Here we go, and then take your wiggly eyes. Now you might want to use glue for this one so it doesn't, so the tape doesn't show through, but you can tape them on as well. And then stick them here to give your chicken some eyes. There we go. I think the chicken needs some feathers now. What you can do is we're going to stick them on the sides here. So take a little bit of tape and stick it to the feather first. It makes it much easier. And then hold it in place and smooth the tape down, just like that. And then you can do it on the other side. And our chicken will have wings. There we go. And this last feather, you can poke in the top of the hole to give it a little hat. And there's our clucking chicken. to make it cluck, hold it firmly by the sides, a little bit of water, wet your index and thumb, and get the string a little bit wet as well. And then what you can do is pinch the string, hold the cup strong, and tug down on the string. And that is how you can make your very own clucking chicken. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you have fun at home making this one.